Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. So I don't know what's coming next. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will go ahead and pause the recording for now, and I will be back at market open. Have an order at 870 for some calls. See if we can get a move down through. So this price needs to pull back a little bit more. Come on. Oh, that's what I wanted. Let's go to 820 now. I'll keep a close eye on it. I will go ahead and pause the software. And when I say software, I just mean the recording program that I'm using. All right, I will pause. Okay, I have an order at, in fact, I'm going to change it now to 1950. So I'm at 1950. Let's see this thing push down just a bit more for calls. Going to go to 1820 now. Okay, that's what I needed. So we got to go to 1750 now. I know that seems far away, but this thing is picking up quite a bit of momentum. So, and I'm at 1750 now. Just one more push. I will go ahead and pause, but I'll keep a very close eye on it. Okay, I'm going for a put here at 2520. In. Put now meaning I want to see the price come back down. And out there for a quick $50 scalp. So just a... Now if this thing wants to drop all the way back down, I'll be ready for calls again. Calls meaning I would want to see the price go up. So for those of you that are maybe beginners, options, puts meaning you want to see the price go down. Calls, you want to see the price go up. So always remember that is what you put in the toilet, you want to see go down. I don't think I need to say that any further. Or I should say explain that any further. I will repeat it though. What you put in the toilet, you want to see go down. Well, if this wants to come up some more, I'll be ready for another potential put. In fact, I'll throw something out there at 2120 just in case it wants to spike up there. But okay, there we go. It's first trade. It's on the board for a quick little $50 bill. We have an order at 1920 here for some calls. Just come down a bit more. In. Out for $100, and I don't know what was that, a second? Maybe even less than that. You'll have to scroll, or you can scroll back in the video and watch, but yes, $100 bill, and for sure less than 2 seconds. 1001, 1002. Oh yeah, easily less than 2 seconds. 1001. I think even less than 1 second, but I'll let you be the judge of that. But there we go. And I know I'm always canceling and moving my orders. I get it. I read the comment section, but that's because if you do the strategy right, then you should be able to really pinpoint. So like I'm doing right now, let's go to 1620, which I understand seems super far away. And maybe it does turn out to be super far away, but when you get those fills, as you just saw, the wait can be worth it. The high maintenance can be worth it. Because yeah, this is high maintenance. You want to be very picky about your entry points, but when you get them, they should work out very, very quickly and nicely. Of course, not all the time, but that's definitely the goal of the sniper shot strategy here. Okay, well, we'll see if this thing wants to push down some more. And if it does, I'll have the video. I'll be watching very closely, and I'll get the recording software started. I have an order at 1670 for some puts, so it needs to come up a bit more. My timing might, not necessarily my timing, but just the guesswork might be off in terms of options and what the price of the contract is going to be when the price of SPY is at a certain level. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 1050. Well, tried. Could not get filled there, so let's go to 970. See if we can get another push upwards. Again, I'm looking to play a put here, so I want to see the price come up, and then when I get filled, I want to see the price go down. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a very close eye on it. Well, that is all I have. Tried a couple more times, and as you saw, can never quite get filled, but overall very happy and I think I'm going to title this video just because it is crazy when you think about it. I had that one trade that was 1 second for $100 bill. So, I mean, where in the world can you make $100 in literally less than a second? The market really is a crazy place. And I don't say that to brag. I just say it to build context because it's easy to look around and see other people's results and then compare them to your results. And then just to say, oh, geez, I'm not doing very well. But would you, and let's just say it had been $20. Would you ever go up to somebody making minimum wage and say, you know, I made $20 in 1 second. I'm not very happy about it. They would say, wait, what? I'm making minimum wage and you just said you're not happy about making $20 in 1 second? Right, that would be crazy talk. They would look at you as the biggest greedy savage ever, and they would be correct. So like I said, it's all about perspective. So when you're trading, always look at it from a time perspective. Now, if it took you 12 hours to make that $20, then okay, maybe something's not quite right. But you know, $20 compared to some sort of time frame, even if it was a minute, right? That'd be crazy. $20 in 1 minute, but $100 in 1 second. Yeah, absolutely mind blowing when you kind of rearrange the perspective and look at it like that. So social media can really warp perspective. So just keep that little mind trick in mind. And hopefully that can help you in your trading too. But that's all I have for you. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment below. Let me know what's the fastest you've ever made money in. Always interesting to hear that. Leave those down in the comment section below. But thanks for hanging out. Like I said, hit that like button, leave a comment. Take care.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.